Now let us discuss 71. The conjugate base for bronzed acids H2O and HFR. Here they ask that conjugate bases for bronzed acids. Now let us try to understand what do you meant by conjugate base means. Here conjugate base is formed by after releasing of H plus ions from given bronzed acids. Let us write the equations for water and HF. Water, according to conjugate base, you have to lose one proton. That means by losing of one proton, you have OH minus. This is called conjugate base of water. Now let us write the reaction for HF. HF, by losing of one proton, that means H plus, we left with F minus. This is the conjugate base for HF. So now let us verify the given options. Here OH minus, but here H2F positive. Option 1 is eliminated. Now let us verify the option 2. Here H3O positive and F minus. Here F minus is present. F minus is right, but H3O positive. Option 2 is also eliminated. In option 4, H3O plus and H2F plus. Here option 4 is also eliminated. We left with option 3, that is OH minus, S and F minus. These are the conjugate bases of water and HF. So our option 3 is our correct answer.